17th of Feb is 11:15, so it's 6:15 in the morning for New York time. Looking on the daily for dollar, so dollar yesterday finally sort of pushed out of this range here, ranged since the 6th, so it ranged for literally nearly 2 weeks. So it's finally broken out of this fair value gap here, tapped into the consequent encouragement. If you look at the 1 hour, broke lower, broke higher, retested the consequent encouragement, broke away, showed support and headed up higher. So there's this gap here for Thursday, new daily opening gap. So we drag that across, could be potential draw liquidity for the day. If not, if price continues to push up, then my next draw would be on this weekly wick, which is shown as the gap, and is the consequent encouragement for that. So it's 104,771 is my target, and then it pushes above there, then it'd be this buy side liquidity, and on the daily would be this volume imbalance here, where price could head up towards next. So they're my targets for longs. If it breaks lower, then yeah, I want to target that gap, gap opening. So we look on the intraday chart. This is it here. So there's the gap. We look at the 1 hour. So there's a SIBI here. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Drag that across. I sort of want to see, in my opinion, do that there. I want to see price sort of break above this, show support, and then it could head to 105,600. If it starts showing resistance, then yeah, we could head down towards the new daily opening gap. But at the minute, sitting in my hands. Let's have a look at EU. Let's go on the daily. So it's tapping into this order block here. Potentially could head down. There's consequent encouragement. Mean threshold of this bullish order block would be around about there, 105,700. If it breaks lower, it wants to get into this consequent encouragement of this wick here, and there's also sell side here. Obviously that's 130 pips, so might not see that day to day, but could hit that mean threshold there if price wants to push up on the dollar. So sell side's been taken. Let's delete that. Make it a little bit neater. There is that little fair value gap here as well that price tapped into. So yeah, not too much at the minute, in my opinion. Just keep looking at the dollar. If I see the dollar wanted to head down, probably potentially taking out this low, then it could head towards the new daily opening gap. If that shows support, then yeah, I want to head up higher. Just gonna delete that though. But yeah, already had a good week anyway, so probably gonna be done for the week. But yeah, let's see how it reacts on the New York opening. But I wouldn't mind seeing this get tapped back into, as we see here, to yesterday's or Wednesday's, opening gap, price pushes up, takes that buy side, and then it gets drawn into that new daily opening gap before pushing up higher. Potentially could tap back into it before going higher, or go higher and then tap back into it, and it just should see how price reacts and show us his hand before trading. So yeah.